हो चुका है लैक्मे फैशन वीक 2025, जहां NIF ग्लोबल के लिए नजर आई नुसरत भरूचा, जहां नजर आया नुसरत भरूचा का बोल्ड और एजी लुक। आइए जानते हैं नुसरत से उनके इस बोल्ड लुक और फैशन वीक के बारे में।
So I've just walked for Lagna Fashion Week, and this time, I mean, we walk for a lot of designers, and of course, I've done the rounds of all of that. And as joyful that is, I think this is equally joyful because these are really young kids who are just experimenting, who are just making things. And I'm just really happy that I found this from one of the designers here, and I think they'll be here. Anya and Krishna will be here soon. I absolutely love their work. I saw it and I couldn't believe these are kids. I really couldn't believe they're actually still in class and वो ये बना के present कर सकते हैं. And I feel not just me, a lot of people should come out and support young designers and young talent and these kids. I mean, I was a kid when someone supported me once. So why the hell not? Why should I not give it back? So I'm just really glad that I could do this at a time like this and a platform like Lacquer Fashion. I think something you are comfortable in, सबसे पहले, I'm very comfortable in this, trust me. And also something which speaks a little bit of your own personality, an extension of who you are, which I'm urban also, I'm a nomad also, which is perfect, the theme just goes with me. And I love it. I love these flare pants, I love the pop of red, I like the corset, I like the deconstruction of the length. It's not a full length pant, it's a little bit off from the full length. I love all these things. I like a little bit things off. So for me, this outfit worked because of that. Lakme Fashion Week, of course, it's iconic. We have seen so many designers, so much talent here. They've given rise to new talent and they, of course, adorned the old talent as well. It's a platform and a stage where you get to see every kind of designer you like, people I've been growing up watching, and new talent like this. So Lakme Fashion Week it is, yeah. It's the one-stop stop for fashion. Yeah, I did actually, but I'll say it again. Hi guys, can I call them here? Yes. Come. Anya Krishna, come. Actually, everybody come. Hi, really well. Anya and Krishna made their designs, but even they had their design showcased on the Latin Fashion Week. How old are you?
I'm 19.
And you?
I'm also 19.
I can't believe they're 19 and they're making this. At 19, I was sleeping, guys. I mean, literally. But no, I really can't begin to express to you what young talent and new designers and in any field young new talent means to me. Because I was also spotted, I was also 19 doing some audition somewhere and somebody picked me up in front of a camera, I don't know how. But they're really working hard and the fact that they're still studying and they're still doing this is crazy. So all the best, all of you all actually. All the best.
Thank you.
May you keep rising, inspiring and getting us to wear your kind of clothes. इसको जो बोलना है.
Hello, I'm Bharti Goyal from NF Global Program. I designed a collection which we named Shift, जो कि हमने बहुत सारी मल्टी फंक्शनलिटीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया है. और एक्सट्रीम नोमैड लाइफ को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमने हमारा कलेक्शन बनाया। जैसे कि आपने देखा भी होगा कि हमारे गारमेंट्स ट्रांसफॉर्म होते डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज में। हम पूरा रैंप पे दिखा नहीं पाए, बट हमारे गारमेंट्स स्लीपिंग बैग्स एंड टेंट या हैंड बैग्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं सारे के सारे। तो वो रैंप पे पॉसिबल नहीं था, बट इन एक्चुअल दे कैन कन्वर्ट एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू डिफरेंट एक्सेसरीज आल्सो। So yeah, that's about our garments.
Yeah, my name is Anya. Myself, Krishna Thakkar. Our collection name was Arctic Voyage, inspired by the bird Arctic Tern. We have used cotton linen fabric उसकी सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए, और हमारा थीम अर्बन नॉमेड था। सो हमें सस्टेनेबल, फ्लेक्सिबल और स्टाइलिश गारमेंट्स बनाने थे। हमने बर्ड आर्टिक टर्न इसलिए लिया था क्योंकि वो हर साल 70,000 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करता है, तो वो हर कल्चर को, हर एटमॉस्फेयर को अडेप्ट कर लेता है। ऐसे हमारे गारमेंट्स भी ऐसे चाहिए थे जो हर चीज़ को अडेप्ट करे, कल्चर हर जिधर भी जाए हर चीज़ को अडेप्ट कर पाए जल्दी से जल्दी।